So in our today's topic, chapter 6, staffing, our topic is training and development, and training and development concept divided in 3 parts for 12 business studies. So first part, we are going to start what is the meaning of training, what is the meaning of development, then what is the importance, why there is a need of training and development in an organization. First of all, what is the meaning of training? See, training is the art of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Again, art of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. You can underline increasing the knowledge, skill for doing a particular job. What is the aim of training? Its purpose is to enable them to do their jobs better. They can perform better. I am sure you all must agree with my point that trained employees' performance will be better than untrained. Got it? So training is necessary. And what is the aim of giving training? The main aim of giving training is so that employees can do their work in a better way, effectively as well as efficiently. A capable and competent person may not do the best on his job unless he is systematically trained. Training is necessary. See, you are learning here. I am giving you training also how to perform in boards paper. Same as everyone everywhere is getting some training. Like when we joined the school, then also that time we got some training so that we can perform better. And sure, training increasing the knowledge level. Training increases the skill for doing a particular job. Okay, so in an organization also, systematically training is provided so that everyone can perform in the best way. See, if you call an electrician to repair your AC, if you call an untrained electrician, the performance will not be better. Why? Maybe he will spoil your electric appliances because he is not having knowledge and skill for doing that particular work. Okay. Now, what is development? See, development means both terms are different. Development involves the growth of an employee in all respects, like personality development, motivation for growth, career planning, etc. Training enhances the skill. Training increases the knowledge level. But for personality development, for motivation, for career planning, for the growth overall, the development process is necessary. Development is more future oriented. In further classes, I will explain you the difference between training and development. Training enhances skill, knowledge of the present job, but development is more future oriented and concerned with education than employees training. So generally we can catch these words. This is growth of an employee, personality development, motivation, career planning, etc. Then importance of training and development. This is the main topic we can discuss. Importance of training and development. Now, my dear children, I am sure you all must agree with my views that training and development is necessary for the organization as well as for the employees. Yes, benefits to the organization. If the organization provides training to their employees, that will be beneficial. How it is beneficial? It reduces wastage. Yes, trained employees will work effectively and efficiently, and there will be less wastage of time, efforts, and money. All the wastage. See, if your employee is trained, he will work effectively and efficiently. There will be less wastage of time, efforts, and money. Then this is the benefits to the organization. Then benefits to the organization is it enhances productivity. Just now I told you, trained employee will work effectively and efficiently. So naturally, if there is less wastage, the productivity will increase. They will concentrate on their work because they are doing their work effectively and efficiently. So the productivity will increase. And my dear children, if the productivity will increase, if there will be less wastage, naturally the organization will have more profits. Next, benefits to the organization. Training equips the future managers. How? How we can say training equips the future managers? See, if an organization is giving proper training to their employees, they will work in a better way and they will become better managers in future. Okay, they will equip the future situations. Then next, it reduces absenteeism and employees turnover. Training and development reduces absenteeism and employees turnover. See, if the employee is trained, he will take interest in his work. If you are taking interest in your work, you will present. See, yesterday I read an article. Okay, I'll discuss it with you. Wait. I want to discuss that point with you all. See, if an organization wants that the employees will take interest in the working, they should give them proper training and better working environment. So yesterday I read an article by Bill Gates. What he said, if you want to enjoy for one day, just watch a movie and relax. If you want to get enjoyment for a week, go for outings, go for some tourist place. Okay, if you want to enjoy your 1 month, then take a book and read it. But if you want to enjoy for your lifetime, take interest in your work. If you like your work, if you love your work, then you will have more opportunities of growth. That part is useful here also. If an organization wants that the employees will be fixed, permanent, don't change the job. They should train them. Otherwise, they will not like their work. Like, my dear children, you all have opted commerce, and on the day one, I told you, if you want to be excel in that subject, you should love that. Same here. If an organization wants to reduce absenteeism and employees turnover, frequently leaving the job, coming on the job, then the organization should give them training. So they will love their work. Training means skill, knowledge of the work. The next is effective response towards changing environment. See the slide. As in the first or second chapter of business studies, I told you that business environment is changing very fast. Our business environment is dynamic. How you can see? Business environment is changing very fast due to technology, fashion, change in market condition, competitors, customers, everything is changing very fast. See, you can see the technology, electrical appliances, vehicles, cell phone, everything. Technology is changing very fast. 2 years ago, we cannot think that we can teach online like this way. Now we are teaching because technology is changing very fast, because our environment is dynamic. See, due to corona pandemic, many things are going to change. So how you will cope up by this one? By the training. Yes. In your school also, many teachers didn't know about the situation, how to use the computers, how to teach online, but they gave us training. So that employees are able to perform in the fast changing environment. Effective response towards changing environment. See, my dear children, in our school, everyone is teaching online through Zoom or through video classes. Who thought? Even I was not able to make the videos for YouTube. Now I am making it comfortably. But how? Because of proper training. Yes, so training is necessary for the organization also, for employees also. See, organization wants that everyone will be equipped, everyone will perform in a best way through Zoom classes, through video classes. Now, they provide us the training, they provided training to many teachers. So, we are ready. We are ready to change. Same in many organizations. Now work from home is a common phenomenon. You know it. Okay. So today we discuss all these things. First of all, I'll tell you one by one what is training, what is development. The training means art of increasing the knowledge. See, every teacher has knowledge about the subject, but by the Zoom training, by the video training, by the online classes training, they increase our knowledge. The subject knowledge we all must have. That's why we are teaching. From last 33 years, many teachers are teaching. We have knowledge, but we don't have knowledge how to teach online. So they increase the knowledge by giving us training. Same in many organizations. Work from home is a new concept, but for that, organization gave the training, increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. I agree, you must agree with my view that its purpose is to enable them to do their jobs better. Yes. If students are not present due to corona pandemic, how we can teach? That's why we want to do our work in a better way. So they gave us training, and by the training, by the systematically training, now we are able to do our work in the best. Now, what is development? What is that? It involves the growth of an employee in all aspects like personality development, motivation, career planning, motivation, giving them better work environment, advanced techniques, more opportunities. See the slide. Overall development. That is overall development, overall growth for more future oriented is development. Now, importance of training and development, it reduces wastage. There will be no wastage of time, efforts and money. And if there is no wastage, then the employee is working effectively and efficiently. So productivity will be more. Then managers are ready for future challenges. If you are giving proper training, then the worker will perform in the best way. Then it reduces absenteeism and employees turnover. See why the employees remains absent. If they are not taking interest in the work, then they remain absent. Then why they are not taking interest in their work? Because they have not knew the workings of that work, workings of that part. So by the training, they will learn the work. By the training, they will learn and increase the knowledge, learn the skill, so they will not remain absent. And employees turnover will be less. Employees turnover means leaving the job and joining the job, frequently changing is turnover. Then effective response towards fast changing environment. See, I told you the business environment or the environment and surrounding is changing very fast. Do you know the online teaching is also a new concept? Work from home is also a new concept. So how the person can change according fast changing environment? By the training. That's why training is necessary for the organization. Tomorrow I will explain importance of training for the workers. I am sure you all must understood what is the topic of today.